Weather is a big part of life in the UK. It's not just something that happens in the background, it's a daily topic of conversation, a source of both joy and frustration, and a force that shapes the way people live, work, and play across the country. People talk about it every day, whether it's a quick chat with a neighbour, a conversation at the bus stop, or a friendly exchange at the local cafe. The weather is always on everyone's mind. It's the perfect icebreaker and a way for people to connect, no matter where they are from. Sometimes the weather is sunny. On those rare, beautiful days, parks fill up with families, friends gather for picnics, and the whole country seems to come alive. The sunshine brings out the best in people, and everyone tries to make the most of it. Other times it is rainy, windy, or cloudy. The UK is famous for its unpredictable weather, and it's not unusual to experience all four seasons in a single day. Rain showers can appear out of nowhere, and strong winds can make even a short walk feel like an adventure. The weather can change quickly here. One moment the sky is clear and blue, the next dark clouds roll in, and rain begins to fall. This constant change keeps everyone on their toes and makes planning ahead a real challenge. In the UK, the weather affects our plans. People check the forecast before leaving the house, deciding what to wear and whether to bring an umbrella or sunglasses. It's a daily ritual that helps everyone prepare for whatever the day might bring. It decides if we go outside or stay indoors. A sudden rainstorm might mean cancelling a picnic or moving a football match inside. On sunny days, everyone rushes outdoors to soak up the rare warmth and light. It can even change how we feel. Sunshine lifts spirits and brings smiles, while grey skies and rain can make people feel tired or gloomy. The weather has a real impact on mood and energy. A sunny, warm day can make everyone smile. It's a chance to relax, have fun, and enjoy the outdoors. People treasure these days, making memories with friends and family. When July begins, many people are excited for summer. The start of July feels like a fresh beginning, full of hope for long sunny days and outdoor adventures. Families plan holidays, children look forward to school break, and everyone dreams of perfect weather. They hope for nice weather to enjoy holidays, picnics, and festivals. Outdoor events, from music festivals to garden parties, depend on the weather, and everyone keeps their fingers crossed for sunshine. Knowing the forecast helps everyone get ready. People check the weather on TV, radio, and their phones, planning their days and weeks around what the forecast says. It's a small step that makes a big difference. This essay will explain what weather to expect on July 1st, 2026. Whether you're planning a holiday, a family picnic, or just want to know if you'll need an umbrella, we'll cover everything you need to know. We will look at the forecast, what it means, and how you can prepare. From what to wear to how to make the most of the day, we'll help you get ready for whatever the weather brings. Let's find out if it will be a heat wave or a rainy day. No matter what the forecast says, there's always a way to make the most of July 1st in the UK. July is the heart of summer in the UK. Usually this month brings warmer days, but the weather can still be very mixed. Some days are hot and sunny, other days are cool with showers. In the south of England, July often has long, bright days. Temperatures can reach 22 to 25 degrees Celsius. In Scotland and Northern Ireland, it is a bit cooler. There, temperatures are closer to 18 to 20 degrees. Rain is always possible, even in summer. Sometimes showers come quickly and pass just as fast. Other times, there can be heavy rain or storms. So, people in the UK learn to expect anything. A sunny morning can turn into a rainy afternoon. It is always good to check the weather before making plans. Let's take a closer look at the weather forecast for July 1st, 2026, a day that many people across the United Kingdom have been eagerly anticipating. Whether you're planning a family outing, a picnic in the park, or simply hoping to enjoy some sunshine, knowing what the weather has in store can make all the difference. This year, weather experts are predicting a significant chance of warm and pleasant weather across much of the country. Meteorologists have been closely monitoring the patterns, and the consensus is that July is kicking off with a burst of summer warmth that will be felt by millions. In the south of England, temperatures could soar as high as 28 degrees Celsius. That's quite hot for the UK, and it means you'll want to keep your sunglasses and sunscreen handy. Parks and beaches are likely to be busy as people take advantage of the rare British heat. In some areas, especially in urban centres, it might feel a little muggy. This means the air will feel not just warm, but also a bit sticky and humid, making it important to stay hydrated and seek shade during the hottest parts of the day. While the sun will be shining for most, there may also be a few clouds drifting across the sky, offering occasional relief from the direct sunlight. These clouds are not expected to bring much rain, but they will add some variety to the summer scenery. Some places in the north could experience light rain showers, especially in the early morning or late evening. However, for the most part, the country will remain dry, and any rain that does fall is expected to be brief and light, not enough to spoil outdoor plans. Weather maps show a warm front moving up from the south, bringing hot air from continental Europe into the UK. This influx of warm air is the main reason why temperatures are higher than usual for this time of year, and it's creating the perfect conditions for a classic British summer day. So, for most people, July 1st will truly feel like a proper summer day. It might not be a full-blown heat wave everywhere, but it's certainly close, and it's a great opportunity to get outside, enjoy the fresh air, and make the most of the long daylight hours. As always, don't forget to check your local forecast for the most up-to-date news and any last-minute changes. Weather can be unpredictable, so staying informed will help you plan your day and stay comfortable, no matter what the skies bring. A heat wave happens when the weather stays very hot for a few days or more. In the UK, a heat wave is when temperatures are higher than usual for at least 3 days. Heat waves can make people feel tired or uncomfortable. The sun is strong, and it can be hard to sleep at night. Some people, like the elderly or young children, might find it harder to cope. During a heat wave, the ground and buildings get hotter and hotter. There is less wind, so warm air stays around. Sometimes there is little or no rain. Heat waves are rare in the UK, but they do happen. When they do, it's important to stay cool, drink water, and look after each other. Hot weather can be fun, but it can also be dangerous. If it's very hot, people need to be careful. It's easy to get sunburn or feel tired, you know. Sometimes people can get heat stroke if they do not drink enough water. Rain has its own problems too. If it rains a lot, parks and fields can get muddy. Sometimes heavy rain can cause floods. This can make travel difficult and people might have to change their plans. But both hot and rainy weather can also be enjoyable. Hot days are good for swimming, picnics, or visiting the seaside. Rainy days can be cozy indoors, watching films or reading books. The best thing is to be ready. If you know what to expect, you can make the most of any weather. Let's take a closer look at how July weather in 2026 compares to previous years. July in the UK is always a month of surprises, with weather that can swing from sunshine to showers in just a few hours. By looking back at past Julys, we can see how much things have changed and what might be in store for the future. In 2024, for example, the weather was noticeably cooler than usual. Many days were marked by persistent showers and overcast skies, making it feel more like early spring than the height of summer. People across the country found themselves reaching for umbrellas and raincoats far more often than sunglasses. It was so chilly that many people had to wear jackets and even light sweaters, despite it being the middle of July. Outdoor events were often disrupted by sudden downpours, and families on holiday had to adapt their plans to the unpredictable weather. In contrast, 2025 brought a dramatic change. There was a short but intense heat wave, with temperatures soaring above 30 degrees Celsius in some parts of the country. Parks and beaches filled up as people flocked outside to enjoy the rare burst of summer heat. This year in 2026, forecasters are predicting a July that's warmer than average overall. While it may not break all-time records, it's expected to be noticeably hotter than what most people are used to. especially compared to the cooler summers of just a few years ago. However, it's important to note that it's not as extreme as the massive heatwave of 2022, when the UK experienced record-breaking temperatures and widespread drought. Still, this year's warmth is significant, and it's a reminder of how the climate is shifting. Rainfall patterns are also changing. In the south of England, rainfall is lower than normal, leading to dry fields and parched grass. Meanwhile, the north is expected to see more frequent showers, offering some relief from the heat and helping to keep the countryside green. Over the last 10 years, the UK has experienced a noticeable increase in the number and intensity of heat waves. Summers are becoming hotter and drier, with more days where temperatures climb well above what used to be considered normal. Climate experts believe these changes are linked to global warming. As the Earth's temperature rises, weather patterns are shifting, making extreme heat events more common and altering rainfall across the country. Each summer brings its own unique challenges, but people in the UK are learning to adapt. From installing fans and air conditioning to planning outdoor activities around the forecast, families are finding new ways to stay comfortable and safe during hotter days. By comparing data from past years, we can see clear trends in how July weather is changing. Graphs and time-lapse footage reveal a steady rise in average temperatures and more frequent heat waves, painting a vivid picture of a climate in transition. Looking back helps us prepare for what's ahead. By understanding these patterns, we can make better choices, whether it's packing for a holiday, planning a garden party, or simply deciding what to wear. Staying informed means we're ready for whatever the next July brings. If the forecast is hot, wear light clothes. Choose cotton shirts and shorts. A sun hat and sunglasses are important. Don't forget sun cream to protect your skin. Drink lots of water to stay cool. If you are spending time outside, find some shade. Try to avoid being in the sun between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. when it is strongest. Hot days are great for outdoor fun. Go to the park, have a picnic, or visit the beach. Take a swim if you can. If it looks like rain, have a backup plan. Maybe visit a museum or watch a film indoors. It's good to check the weather before you leave home. This way you can choose the best clothes and plan your day to stay comfortable. Staying safe in hot weather is important. Always carry a bottle of water when you go out. If you have a fan at home, use it to keep cool. You can also close your curtains during the day to stop the house from getting too hot. If you feel too warm, take a break in the shade. Use a cool, damp cloth on your face or neck. Remember to check on friends or family who might need help, especially older people. On rainy days, an umbrella and waterproof shoes are good ideas. Keep a raincoat with you, just in case. It's easy to get caught by showers in the UK. No matter the weather, it's always possible to have a great day. Just plan ahead and make sure you are comfortable and safe. Whatever the weather, summer in the UK is special. Hot sunny days bring people outside. Rainy days can be just as fun with games and laughter indoors. This July the 1st, 2026, most people will enjoy warm summer weather. Even if it rains in some places, there are many ways to enjoy the day. With a little planning, you can make the most of whatever comes your way. Remember, weather changes, but our good mood can stay the same. Enjoy the little things, an ice cream in the sun, a walk in the park, or a cozy evening at home. So get ready for a lovely start to July. Look forward to all the summer has to offer, rain or shine.